What if I told you that your CGPA, your resume, or even your coding skills might not be what gets you hired in 2025? Because right now, 65% of employers say they care more about soft skills than degree. See, in a world where AI writes emails, apps manage schedules, and remote teams are new normal, your soft skills are your superpowers. These are the things robot can't do yet, like solving problems when things go sideways, managing your time like a boss, or bouncing back when life punches you in the face. If you are trying to land freelance gigs, get interviews, or just stop feeling stuck, these are the skills that actually matter. Let's get into the top 5 soft skills employers are hunting for in 2025 and how you can start leveling up today. Number 1 is critical thinking and problem solving. Alright, imagine this. You are working freelance, a client messages you at 10 p.m. and saying the file is broken. It will not load, fix it. No instruction, no details, only confusion. Do you panic or do you step back, break down the problem, troubleshoot, and figure it out? That's critical thinking. It's not just about being smart, it's about staying calm, analyzing stuff, and solving real world messes. Hot tip: start asking better questions, not just looking for answers. That's how you go from worker to wizard. Number 2 is adaptability. 2025. Yeah, things change fast. New apps, new platforms, new job titles that didn't exist 6 months ago. And if you are still clinging to how things used to work, you are already falling behind. Let's say you have always used CapCut for editing, but now your new client wants Premiere Pro. Do you complain? Or do you adapt very fast, learn it in a weekend, and flex on them? Adaptability isn't just being open to change, it's being ready to move with it. Build your learning muscle now. Pick up random tools, explore new workflows, stay curious. Number 3 is time management, especially for remote and freelance work. No boss breathing down your neck tool until you are watching TikTok at 2 p.m. and your deadline is at 5. Time management is everything, especially if you are working remotely or doing client work. For example, you have got class in the morning, a freelance gig due tomorrow, and you will still want to hit the gym and maybe hop on Warzone later. How do you do it all without burning out? Easy. Use Google Calendar like it's your personal assistant. Block distractions. Yes, TikTok, I'm looking at you. Set micro deadlines to beat procrastination. Remember, you can't control time, but you can control your priorities. Number 4 is growth mindset. Failing sucks, but staying stuck because you fear failure, that's ours. A growth mindset means you believe you can get better with effort, practice, and feedback. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You don't start at max stats. You grind, you learn, you unlock skills. For example, your first cold email might get ignored. Your first gig might bomb. But the second time, better. Third time, even better. People with growth mindsets don't quit. They adapt and level up. Number 5, communication. Let me hit you with some truth. If you can't explain what you do clearly, you are losing opportunities. Communication isn't just talking, it's knowing your audience and making your points stick. Whether it's writing a tight client email, pitching your service in 2 minutes, or just not sounding like a bot on Zoom, communication gets you trusted and booked. Try this. Next time you write a message or email, ask, would I reply to this? If not, rewrite it. So let's hit rewind. The top soft skills to master in 2025 are: number 1, critical thinking and problem solving. Number 2, adaptability. Number 3, time management. Number 4, growth mindset. And the last one, communication. There are more, but these 5 are so much important. These skills don't require a fancy degree, just consistent effort and self awareness. These are the skills that make you hireable, trustworthy, and future proof. Which of these soft skills are you gonna level up first? Drop it in the comments. I actually read them. If this video gave you even one idea, hit that like button. Want more career cheat codes and freelance hacks? Subscribe and turn on that bell so you don't miss what's next. And if you want a free PDF file breaking these skills down, let me know in the comment section. Level up your skills, level up your life.